For centuries, the human mind remained a mysterious and elusive concept. Philosophers and scholars pondered its nature, but its inner workings remained largely unknown. The advent of modern science, particularly in the last century, has ushered in a revolution in our understanding of the mind. Through groundbreaking research in neuroscience and cognitive psychology, we are finally beginning to unlock the secrets of the brain, the physical organ that gives rise to our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. This new knowledge has profound implications for our understanding of what it means to be human and how we can live healthier, more fulfilling lives. This essay delves into the fascinating world of the mind, exploring the scientific foundations of neuroscience and cognitive psychology. We will examine the intricate relationship between thoughts, emotions, behaviors, and brain activity. Finally, we will explore practical techniques like meditation, mindfulness, and cognitive therapies that empower us to harness the power of our minds for greater well-being. This journey into the science of the mind is not merely an academic exercise. It is a deeply personal exploration that empowers us to understand ourselves better. By unraveling the complexities of the brain, we gain insights into our own thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. This knowledge is the key to personal growth, emotional regulation, and enhanced well-being. Neuroscience, the study of the nervous system, provides the foundation for our understanding of the brain. This field explores the structure, function, development, and genetics of the nervous system. It examines the intricate network of neurons, the specialized cells that transmit information throughout the brain and body. Cognitive psychology, on the other hand, focuses on how the mind processes information. This field investigates mental processes such as attention, memory, language, perception, problem-solving, and decision-making. Cognitive psychologists use behavioral experiments and brain imaging techniques to study how we think, learn, and remember. Together, neuroscience and cognitive psychology provide a comprehensive framework for understanding the mind. Neuroscience reveals the biological mechanisms that underlie our mental processes, while cognitive psychology sheds light on how we use these processes to interact with the world around us. These two fields are constantly evolving, with new discoveries and insights emerging all the time. For example, advancements in brain imaging have allowed scientists to observe brain activity in real time. This has led to a deeper understanding of how different brain regions communicate with each other during various cognitive tasks. With each new discovery, we gain a clearer picture of the brain's intricate workings. One of the most remarkable revelations of modern neuroscience is the realization that our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors are not separate from our physical bodies. They are intricately linked to the activity of our brains. Every thought we have, every emotion we feel, and every action we take is accompanied by a corresponding pattern of neural activity. Emotions, once considered fleeting and intangible, are now understood to be rooted in specific brain circuits. For instance, the amygdala, an almond-shaped structure deep within the brain, plays a crucial role in processing fear and other emotions. When we encounter a perceived threat, the amygdala triggers a cascade of physiological responses, such as increased heart rate and rapid breathing, preparing us to fight or flee. Similarly, our thoughts are not merely abstract entities floating in our minds. They are represented by the firing of neurons in different brain regions. When we engage in complex cognitive tasks, such as solving a math problem or planning a vacation, multiple brain areas work in concert, exchanging information through intricate neural pathways. This mind-body connection has profound implications for our health and well-being. Chronic stress, for example, can have detrimental effects on both our physical and mental health. When we experience stress, our bodies release hormones like cortisol, which over time can contribute to problems like cardiovascular disease, weakened immune function, and mental health disorders. The understanding that our minds and bodies are deeply interconnected has paved the way for the development of powerful techniques for enhancing well-being. Meditation, mindfulness, and cognitive therapies all leverage this connection, providing practical tools for managing stress, regulating emotions, and improving mental health. Meditation, an ancient practice rooted in Eastern traditions, involves focusing the mind on a particular object, thought, or activity to train attention and awareness. Research has shown that regular meditation can have a number of benefits for both the mind and body, including reduced stress and anxiety, improved attention and focus, and increased compassion and self-awareness. Mindfulness, a practice closely related to meditation, involves paying attention to the present moment without judgment. It encourages us to observe our thoughts, feelings, and sensations without getting swept away by them. Mindfulness-based therapies have proven effective in treating a range of mental health conditions, including anxiety, depression, and chronic pain. Cognitive therapies, such as cognitive behavioral therapy, are based on the premise that our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors are interconnected. CBT helps individuals identify and challenge negative thought patterns and replace them with healthier, more adaptive ones. This approach has been successful in treating a wide array of mental health concerns, including depression, anxiety disorders, and post-traumatic stress disorder.